Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Daryl. Today we're going to do our tricks and tips video. We're going to take a gadget and today we're going to take a herb cutter and we're going to have a look to see how it performs. Let's have a look. Right, we've got the Bang Shoe herb cutter. Nice temporary packaging. Oh, look at that. That's a colour, isn't it? It looks like about 2.5 sets of scissors welded together. Look. So the idea of that is you get multiple cuts in one go. Comes with a nice case. Keep it safe. There you go. You don't cut yourself on it. Right, let's have a go anyway. It'd be good for cutting your hair, wouldn't it, Sam? You'd be able to get some really good trim with that really quickly. Right, okay, so I've got a bit of basil here. Let's give it a go and see what happens. Oh look, it's cutting it into little bits, little tiny shreds. Now the downside, right, okay, so it's a good bit of kit. The downside to it is it gets caught in the blades because there's about 4 or 5 of them. You have to give it a tap to get it out. So yeah, it's good. It does what it's supposed to. Downside is I've got to clean that now with a brush. Yeah. How much is it, Sam?
I can't remember. I'll have a look and put it on the screen.
Yeah. Yeah, handy if you're really lazy. But me being a chef, I like to chop it up by hand. But yeah, I think it's going to take more effort to clean the blades than the speed I'm saving, the time I'm saving actually cutting the herbs. But there you go. The Bang Shoe herb cutter. Well worth a go.